Hi, this is Sammy again. Another magic trick with using the hands. So last time, I guess we used the hands to do the multiplication table from 6 to 9. Today, we're gonna use that hand to figure out the sine, cosine, and tangent for the 30, 45, 60, and 90 degree special angles. So here we go. How does this work? We have our 5 fingers. Every finger is labeled. So the first finger here is labeled as 0 degrees. This is labeled as 30 degrees. This labeled as 45 degrees. This labeled as 60 degrees, and above, or your thumb, is labeled as 90 degrees. Now let's look at this works for the 30 and the 90, and then I'm going to leave the rest for you to try on your own. So let's look at it. Sine 30, they say, is the number of fingers below the angle. Square root that and divide it by 2. So how many fingers we have below the 30 degrees? I have 1 finger. So it's the square root of 1, which is 1 over 2. How about cos 30? Cos is the number of fingers above the angle, and you square root that. So if you look at the 30 degrees right here, we have 1, 2, 3 fingers above. So that will equal square root of 3 over 2. And this is the rule. Now, how about tan 30? Tan 30 is the number of fingers below the angle. So that means, and you do the square root of that. So we have 1, and the square root of 1 is just 1 all over the square root of the number of fingers above the angle. So above 30 degrees, we have 3, and therefore it's the square root of 3. Now I'm going to do the 90. Sine 90 equals, so it's the number of fingers below the 90. So we have 4 fingers. So it's the square root of that. So square root of 4 over 2. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is going to give me 1. Now, how about cos 90? It says the number of fingers above the 90. So we have no fingers going this way. So 0. And 0 over 2 is just going to give me 0. How about tan 90? Tan 90 is the square root of the fingers below the 90. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers, and it's the square root of 4 over the square root of the fingers above the 90. So we have no fingers above the 90, 0, which gives me 2 divided by 0, which is undefined. Now go ahead and try the 0, 45, and 60 degrees. It's magical. What a phenomena with the hand. You could do the multiplication table, and now we could do the special angle triangles. Again, remember, if you like my videos, comment, subscribe, and share with others so they could benefit from this. Thanks again. Bye-bye.